one of Africa's stealthiest hunters. But not all alarm calls are treated equally. Studies have shown the smaller the species, the less likely it is that others will react to their warnings. For little animals are easy targets. A quarter of barks from the lightweight impala are false alarms. They're even spooked by grass blowing in the wind, while everyone else ignores them. But if larger and less vulnerable zebra or kudu give a warning, everyone scarpers. But there's one small animal whose alarm call prompts a different response. The African tree squirrel, a leopard's nemesis. Their persistent calls can be heard from 500 feet away. Their warning calls not only alert the neighbors, no, they let the predator know they've been spotted and should move on. A cat that's pound for pound the strongest predator in Africa, driven away by the simple squeak